Hi Virgo! Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your new person or the person that you're currently dealing with or yung taong nagbabalik sa inyo. Tingnan natin kung anong nangyayari. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Virgo. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let us see how your love life unfolds. Ano yung mga energies and messages for Virgo, please, in love, relationship, or romantic connection. Virgo, please. Virgo. Deuces. Childish. Envy. Okay. Merong energy ng deuces, okay? Fed up, punong-puno ka na sa inyong situation, sa mga nangyayari sa inyong relationship. You are cutting ties, you are walking away. Okay? Kailangan ng pag-uusap kung ano yung problema. Childish. Someone is being childish, merong immaturity, argumentative, okay? Playing the victim. Merong mga arguments, okay? Pag-aaway dahil immaturity, playing the victim, okay? Na hindi naman for some of you. Okay? And fed up ka na for that. Envy. Hater, spiteful, jealousy. Merong pagseselos. Okay? You are feeling hurt. You are being spiteful. Okay? Virgo. Or this is the other way around. Someone is being like this to you. May kailangang isettle or pag-usapan. May kailangan paglilinaw. Okay? Clarity about the situation. Okay, merong pa-victim. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages, kung ano yung messages from the tarot. Virgo, please. What are the energies and messages? There is someone that you don't like, Virgo. And you are fed up already. That's why you're walking away. You feel like walking away. Because of the arguments, okay? Pagtatalo, hindi nagkakasundo. Let us see what are the messages, energies for Virgo, please. Okay. Oof. Your person wants to settle things with you. Gusto niya na magkaintindihan kayo, magkaroon ng solusyon sa inyong problema or pinag-aawayan. He or she just wants to be happy in the relationship. Yung masaya lang. Merong kaliwanagan sa inyong problema, sa inyong mga concerns. Gusto niyang pag-usapan, okay? You may be the mother of his children. Okay? You are attractive, nurturing, beautiful person, Virgo. And ito yung gusto ng person mo sa inyo. You are caring and loving. Okay? But there is something na gumugulo sa isip ng inyong person. Okay? Marami siyang iniisip, marami siyang pinoproblema. And he or she just want the answer for everything na pinoproblema niya. Okay? Gusto niya magkaroon ng solusyon. And he or she will have that. Okay? Merong kaliwanagan na mangyayari. Merong clarity, merong pag-uusap. Everything will be okay. Mahal mo ang person na to, Virgo, okay? You love your person. You have a lot of feelings for him or her, pero hindi ka ganon ka-expressive, nasa isip mo lang. Naintindihan mo siya. Okay? Also, you feel that your person is a loving person as well, pero hindi lang din ganon ka-expressive. Okay? Gumagawa siya ng mga solusyon or paraan to keep things going in the relationship, na maging smooth ang lahat. Yeah. Yeah. You want your person to take charge of everything, na merong plano or visions para sa family ninyo or para sa'yo. He or she is a strong person. Okay? Malakas ang loob. Gusto mo magkaroon siya ng plano and focus sa inyong dalawa or sa family ninyo. Okay? Gusto mo magkaroon siya ng mga actions, ilatag at ipakita sa inyo kung ano ang kanyang kakayahan. Okay? To provide, to protect you and your family. You have a lot of expectation from this person, and yun ang gusto mong mangyari, Virgo. Your person also needs your support. He or she wants a collaboration para magkaroon ng solusyon sa inyong mga concerns and problema. Kailangan niya ng inyong support, kooperasyon. Okay? Kasi gusto niya rin maging successful ang inyong situation. Ang intensyon niya ay mag-provide ng solusyon sa inyong mga pinoproblema, Virgo. Okay? You love this person, but you are not just expressing it verbally. Okay? Nasa puso mo lang. And you are there para makinig sa kanya at suportahan siya. Okay? Yeah. Meron kayong kailangan i-work out sa inyong situation. Everything will be okay basta merong cooperation sa isa't isa. Kailangan pag-usapan ng maayos, no arguments, okay? Yeah. Magkakaroon kayo ng pag-uusap about the future, how to improve things further in your life for both of you and for your family as well. You will be nurturing your relationship to one another. Marami kayong hopes and wishes na gustong mangyari sa inyong pamumuhay, Virgo. Iwasan ang pag-aaway, okay? And this is something na nagkakaroon, ito yung cause, no? Yung hindi pagkakaintindihan, ito yung cause ng arguments, yung pag-aaway, yung madaming naiisip, sala-salabit na, yung mga issues, walang clarity, kaya mainit ang ulo, may nagwo-worry, okay? Hindi makapag-isip ng maayos. Kailangan ng clarity sa inyong sitwasyon, ng maayos na pag-uusap para masolusyonan ang mga problema. Everything will be okay. You are supported by the divine, by the universe, okay? There is support. Magiging maayos ang lahat, Virgo, sa inyong relationship, okay? Mahal ka ng person mo, gustong-gusto ka ng person mo. He or she wants to have a beautiful future with you. Okay? Your person feels that you have a lot of plans also for yourself and for your family. You are very supportive and nurturing, and that is something that your person likes you, okay? Gusto ng person ninyo na mag-prosper ang inyong life together with your family. Magkaroon ng kaliwanagan, magkaroon ng solusyon. Okay? Ang inyong kinabukasan pag merong pag-uusap na mangyayari and clarity, and everything will be okay. Kailangan sa kalmadong paraan. Let us see kung ano pa yung messages for Leo, for Virgo. Yeah, you might be dealing with a Leo. Yeah. Or a water sign. Air sign. Virgo, please. Virgo. Look inside yourself. Examine what is causing you to feel this way. Okay? Examine yourself. Look inside you. May mga kailangan din bang baguhin sa sarili mo, Virgo? Sexual union. Honor the place in one another where you are one eternal soul, for there you will find true bliss. Okay. We have secret admirer. Someone has deeper feelings for you than they are letting on. Okay. Merong may gusto sa inyo or crush. Okay. Idol kayo. Okay. Pero hindi lang pinapakita or sinasabi sa inyo. Okay. So, ito lang yung mga messages for you, Virgo. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!